this is Chantal from ThePurringCatStudio and welcome back to my channel. Today, believe it or not, this poor, innocent, beautiful piece of mulberry paper got me in trouble. That's right, it got me in trouble because I looked at it and I really want to do something with it. And then I remembered I am part of the design team for Kelly Watson's papers. And I just thought, beautiful feminine mulberry paper, beautiful vintagey looking picture, right up my alley. So let's see what kind of trouble I can get into this time. And if you want to see where it all ends up, let's meet each other after the intro. Okay, so as I was saying in the intro, I have this beautiful piece of mulberry paper. Now it's very, it's just paper and it's very thin. But I did want to create some sort of little booklet. And so, well, that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I will probably fast forward the project. I won't go in super fast mode. I've realized sometimes my videos are a little too short or too fast forwarded. I want you to be able to see the process. And if I do feel I need to say some things for you to understand what I'm doing, I will do voiceover. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy, and I will put some nice music. And well, let's get to it. Hi, this is voiceover. Just a little side note, you will see that I'm putting a waxed seal, and it was pre-made because usually I do like to drip the hot wax directly on the surface, which I want it to be on. However, this is mulberry paper, and I was a little worried that it would go maybe right through or stain the other side. So just a little trick: if you want to use the waxed seals but you're a little worried depending on what surface you're working on, you can make a few in advance on parchment paper or seal wax paper, and they'll come off really easily, and then you have them ready to go. So on that note, I just want to say thank you again for watching. Thank you so much to all my lovely subscribers. Thank you so much for being there with me. I appreciate every single one of you. Believe me, I really do. And thank you for all the beautiful comments as well. I love replying to you. And well, until next time, I'm gonna say bye. Bye.